Would you believe if I told you that this was strawberry jam made in the kitchen by myself? Let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you'll need just 3 ingredients. Strawberries, could be fresh or frozen. I bought mine and then I had it frozen, but it's defrosted now. Chia seeds, I used chia seeds a lot. I used it in my previous video, how to make carrot bread. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And then lemon juice, because I want my strawberry jam to last me beyond the week. A can, any kind of jar will do, and then water, although I didn't use the water eventually because the strawberries had water in them, because of course they were frozen. So the first thing you do is I chopped the strawberries into bits, which you see. Then once it's done, you'd see that the pot had water in it from the strawberry juice. And then I put fire to the burner. After like say 10 minutes, maybe not up to that, you can see that the strawberries are boiling. I add lemon juice. I add in the lemon juice, preferably the amount that I want, and I leave that. I stir it. I pick a fork and I begin to mash the boiled strawberries. So I mash until I'm satisfied with the texture. And then I add my chia seeds and I turn them together. Jam is ready. See the texture, it's so like it's like a paste. You know, there's no sugar in it. If you want to add sugar, you can add sugar if you want, but strawberries, they are sweet already in my opinion, so there was no need adding sugar. Yummy strawberry jam made in your kitchen. You can use it to eat bread, you can use it on anything that you want, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my previous videos. Until my next video again, take good care of yourself. Bye.